Let's make Vazhaipoo poriyal. Banana blossom stir fry. Add salt in a bowl. I picked it from my garden. Cut it this way. It's a bit complicated at the beginning. Transfer everything in the bowl. Remove these things. You can also remove them at the end. Drain the water. Another one. Add all in a pan. Mustard seeds, fennel seeds, dried chilies, curry leaves, chopped onions and chilies. Add the banana's flowers once the onions are brownish. 1 spoon of curcuma and salt. A bit of water. Grated coconut. And voila! Time to eat! So delicious!